Dear student, you are watching No Science Academy and this is your Sajjad sir. Today we will discuss the physical chemistry, that is physics and chemistry both. Now we will see this chart. Before that we are going to universe. Universe is made up of matter and energy. Okay. Now this matter, what is matter? Anything which has mass, occupies space and perceptible to our sense organ is called matter. And what is energy? Capacity to do work is called energy. Now energy, there are different kind of energy, light energy, sound energy, we will discuss in separate chapter. Now I am coming, what is light energy? Light energy, light is a form of energy which produces sensation of vision. What is sound energy? First point, sound is a form of energy which produces sensation of hearing, like this. Now I am coming to matter. What is matter? Anything which occupies space, has mass and perceptible to our sense organ. Occupy space means it has volume. And what is mass? Matter present in a body is called mass, that is physics, and this is physical chemistry. This total thing comes in chemistry and this total thing comes under the scope of physics. Physical classification, matter, we can do physical classification and chemical classification. Physical classification, that is solid, liquid and gaseous state. Another state is there, plasma state. It is now out of our scope. We will discuss later. First we will understand solid, liquid, gas. What is solid? Has definite shape and definite volume. This one is solid. If I take this to anywhere in the space also, its volume and shape will be same. Solid has definite shape and definite volume. Now what is liquid? Liquid has definite shape but no definite volume but no definite shape. Liquid has definite volume, no definite shape. 1 liter water will not be 2 liter water. Okay. Now its shape will be according to the container. It can be changed. What is gas? Which has no definite shape, no definite volume. That means your LPG cylinder, LPG cooking gas is there for 20 days or 30 days. You can use that one. So think how much gas, LPG gas, liquid petroleum gas is compressed into that space. We can easily compress the gas. Compressibility is very high. Why, sir? Now I am coming back to the solid. Solid molecules are closely packed. Solid molecules are closely packed. Their intermolecular space is very less. They are closely packed. So intermolecular attractional force is much more high. That's why they have definite shape and definite volume. Now kinetic theory, another theory is there. Solid molecule vibrates about their mean position, very small. Okay. Now I am giving heat. Heat increases its kinetic energy. Now it is moving more, such that gas molecules can move within the boundary of the container. It is moving more, and that's why they have definite volume but no definite shape. Okay. And what is gas? Say ice, I am giving heat, it solid, definite shape, definite volume, its kinetic energy is very less, it vibrates with respect to its median position is very less. Now I am giving heat, it vibrates more and it becomes liquid. Ice melts to water. Now I am heating the water. Its kinetic energy again increases, and after some time I will see the gas molecules, it converts into gaseous state. That means molecules are moving in random motion. It is also called Brownian motion. Next I will discuss zigzag manner gas molecules, and they don't have intermolecular attractional force except when they collide. When they collide, only that time their attraction, baki sob time they are moving randomly zigzag manner. That is gas. From the kinetic theory and basic theory, I am telling you the solid liquid gas. Now next chapter I will tell you melting point, boiling point, freezing point, vaporization, okay, factors on the melting point, pressure and impurity, factors on the boiling point, pressure and impurities, presence of impurities, and sublimation. Some substances like ammonium chloride, iodine, camphor, okay, they directly converts from solid to gaseous state on heating. What? Some substance directly converts directly from solid to gaseous state on heating. This process is called sublimation. Example ki bollam, ammonium chloride, dry ice mane solid carbon dioxide, dry ice, camphor, iodine, okay, we will discuss later. Next, chemical classification. Now we are going to the chemistry part. Chemical classification, total is jointly physics and chemistry. Chemical classification. Chemical classification, I can say pure and impure substance. What is pure substance? There is element and compound. What is element? Element is the pure substance made up of similar atom. Like iron. Iron is attracted by the magnet. A iron rod made up of same iron molecules. That's why it is pure substance. Now what is it? Compound. What is compound? Compound is also pure substance, but when two or more elements combine chemically in fixed ratio by their weight, they form a new substance is called compound. Compound is pure substance. Example I can say very easy example today I will give, because this video is general for 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why. Hydrogen plus oxygen produces water. Water means H2O. Sir, oh, I am doing balancing. This is balancing. Balanced equation. Hydrogen is combustible, does not support combustion. Oxygen supports burning, burning means combustion, but is not combustible. And water is neither combustible nor supports burning. Different substances produced. If I chemically dissociate this one, I will get hydrogen and oxygen. It is very difficult process, chemical process. I will show you later. Now pure substance, abar ki bollam, what is pure substance? Element and compound. Element, the pure substance made up of similar atom. Compound is the pure substance made up of two or more element chemically combined in fixed ratio by their weight. Clear? Now compound, acha, element I will come metal, non-metal, metalloid. It is very easy, common sense. If you use, you can. Metal, you know, metal utensils are there. It is very shiny. Metallic lustre is there. Okay. When hammered, it produces metallic sound. Say your steel plate, you throw it to the floor. I don't know what your mom will tell, I don't know. Or a spoon. You can hear the metallic sound. Okay. This is metallic sound. Metal are good conductor of heat and electricity. That's why your cooking utensils are made up of metal. Handle is different, not bad conductor of heat. Okay, cooking utensils are very good conductor of heat. That's why it usually made up of copper, aluminum or iron, steel. Now cooking utensils I told. Now metals are good conductor of electricity also. Your electrical wiring, electrical wire, inside there is copper or aluminum and outside there is insulator rubber. Okay. Now best electrical conductor I can say, we can say gold and silver. Sir, we can use that? No sir, cost is very high. Okay, that's why we are comparatively copper and aluminum is nearly its resistance. It will be discussed in electricity, current electricity, physics. So we use copper, aluminum in the conductor and sometimes brass. Brass is an alloy, I will come to that. So metal I told, lustrous, metallic sound, আর কি বললাম, good conductor of electricity, good conductor of heat. Now metal, chemical feature, metal produces positive ion. It will be from class 7-8 positive ion. Okay, আচ্ছা non-metal difference কি হবে? Oh, I forgot to tell another important point, that is ductility and malleability. Malleability, metal can be beaten into very thin sheet. Kaju barfi, you eat, on the kaju barfi or sweets, silver foil is there. It is very very thin. We can produce much more thinner than that also. That kaju barfir opore je silver ta thake, that is silver is metal. Very good thing. Sir, we eat silver also. Yes, many minerals we require. Come, what is malleability? Malleability is the property by virtue of which metal can be beaten into thin sheet. Okay. What is ductility? Metal can be drawn into thin wire. Okay. Metal can be drawn into thin wire. Metal are very ductile element. Thin wire, again I am telling, gold and silver you can make very thin wire. Best ductility is there, best malleability is there also. Now understood ductility, malleability. Up to this it is general class, we will go in depth later. Non-metal are non-lustrous except diamond and graphite. Okay, acha metals are usually solid, exception mercury. Okay, আর নন মেটালের bromine is red colored liquid. Please remember this, in the MCQ they will give. Non-metal are non-lustrous, does not produces metallic sound. Okay, bad conductor of heat and electricity, but exception is graphite. Graphite is very good conductor of electricity. Okay, they are brittle. If you hammer, non-metal is divides into very small parts. They are brittle. Ductility and malleability is very very poor they have. Now metalloid, what is metalloid sir? They exist, they shows the property of element metal and non-metal in between. Okay, arsenic, antimony, silicon, like that. Silicon is used in computer etc. You know, solar cell, silicon is used, solar cell. Okay, that is metalloid. We will go in chemistry detail property, their chemical property etc. Now I am coming pure substance element I discussed. Now I am coming to compound. Compound is a pure substance. Okay, when two or more element combines chemically in fixed ratio by their weight, they produces compound. I give example, that is hydrogen plus oxygen, water. Now compound can be classified into inorganic compound and organic compound. There are nowadays, up to these days, we can say 118 elements are there, 118 elements, and compound are produced from all the elements. That is compound. Inorganic compound uses 118 elements they can combine. And what is organic compound? Organic compound, acha inorganic compound er ami ye bolchi, we eat sodium chloride. Sir, you told water. Okay, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, these are inorganic chemistry. তাহলে স্যার হোয়াট ইজ অর্গানিক কেমিস্ট্রি? অর্গানিক কেমিস্ট্রি we can assume যে it is produced in the organism. Yes sir, nowadays we can produce in the lab or industries also. But why we differentiate between two organic compounds? Carbon has catenation property. Carbon has catenation property. Carbon, I will discuss detail, forms chain, and organic chemistry these catenation property are there. Organic chemistry, okay, this one again divided into different parts. You will study in class 10 and good student will start this from class 9. I will discuss little bit from class 9 maybe, because this is video though, we can explain more, we understand more, no problem. Now organic chemistry I told. Now impure substance. Impure substance is very easy. Impure substance, that is you mixed sugar in water. Sugar in water, very good, sugar solution. Now in that solution, solution is a homogeneous mixture. Acha. In that solution, if I take and test it, I will get the property of water and property of sugar also. Say I mixed sulfur and iron all together. It is a mixture, impure substance. Sir, I want to separate the two substances. Yes sir, possible. Take a magnet, magnet will attract the iron particle and remaining will be sulfur. In this way, here the constituent substances can be separated very easily, but in compound constituent substances cannot be, we cannot take very easily, get back very easily. Now what is mixture? When two or more substances, element, compound or both, mix together in any proportion. Any proportion. In compound, proportion is fixed. Okay, hydrogen and oxygen, it is 2 volume compound. I am making 2 volume, oxygen is 1 volume. It is fixed. You take water, drain water, rain water, sea water, river water, drinking water, chemically analyze it, you will get hydrogen and oxygen 2:1 volume. Okay, it is, proportion is fixed. But sir, you rebuke me so much, okay, I will give less sugar in the solution. Okay, less sweet solution. You can add more sugar, more sweet will be there, but there is also another thing up to certain limit, that is saturated, unsaturated solution, saturated solution and supersaturated solution. আজকে আমি জাস্ট at a glance বলছি, what is unsaturated solution? Unsaturated solution, say you eat 5 puri. Now I am giving you 1 puri. So what you will tell? Sir, give me more. I am giving again, and when you eat 5 puri, your stomach is full. No sir, I will not eat more. That is, before 5 puri, you are unsaturated. When you eat the 5 puri, you become saturated. Okay. Another condition is that supersaturated solution. In this episode, I am not telling. I am just giving hints to make you more curious. Okay. Science is very good thing. Curiosity is there. I will come to that. Now, mixture definition I told, I will give also, and from the book you will get. Mixture, 2 part, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, I can say solution. Now sir, you told me liquid and solid, water and sugar or salt is solid, liquid solid solution. Sir, is there any solid solution? Yes sir, there is. আমি এটা মুছে দিই, আচ্ছা, no space, I am here. Copper and zinc. produces brass. Brass is an alloy. Okay, it is called alloy. ALLOY. Copper around 60%, zinc around 40%. In a container, they heat the copper and zinc and it becomes molten copper and molten zinc, and then it solidifies, produces brass. Bronze is copper, zinc and tin, little bit tin percentage is there. In this way, that is homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, another I can say air. Air is a very good example of mixture. Air contains hydrogen, hydrogen is very less. Nitrogen is around 79%, 80%. Oxygen is around 20%. Carbon dioxide is 0.03%. Okay, এটা কি বললাম, around 80%, around 20%, and little bit water vapor is there. Water vapor is there in the air, and the other gases also there. Okay, that is homogeneous mixture I told, and heterogeneous mixture at the beginning I explained. Say sand and cement you mixed, but everywhere the ratio is not same, that is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, now this is up to this just general classification. I have started from universe. Universe is made up of matter and energy. Matter definition, then I went to energy. আচ্ছা, এখানে আসবে law of conservation of mass and law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of mass and law of conservation of energy is very easy. Law of conservation of mass, I can say, please বুঝে নাও, law of conservation of mass cannot be created nor be destroyed. First point কি বললাম, mass cannot be created nor be destroyed. Law of conservation of energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. This is the first point you tell. Law of conservation of mass cannot be created nor be destroyed before total mass of the reactant before the chemical reaction. What is reactant? The substance which reacts is called reactant. Total mass of the reactant before the chemical reaction and total mass of the product after the chemical reaction remains same. আবার বলছি, law of conservation of mass cannot be created nor be destroyed. Total mass of the reactant before the chemical reaction and total mass of the product after the chemical reaction remains same. It is called law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of energy, little bit change, first line is same. Energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. One form of energy converted into another form of energy. Okay, light, electric switch on করে দিলে electrical energy comes and converted into light energy and little bit heat energy. Okay, electric fan, electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. Battery cell, chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Okay, I am eating food and I have some energy. So I have eaten food, in the food there is chemical energy. I have converted the chemical energy, my body converted the chemical energy into mechanical and other form of energy. I have some heat energy also is produced due to respiration, etc. বাচ্চারা, আজকে আমি বেশি বলবো না, today just introduction, and পরপর I will try to publish regular video, and if you require more video on any special topics, you please tell me, I will try accordingly. And our coaching center is named, our academy is No Science Academy. We will know, KNOW, not NO. Okay, thank you, bye.